In the water in lane 1, Adams. Lane 2, Moose. Lane 3, Watts. Lane 4, Sheehan. In lane 5 is Snyder. Lane 6, Gates. Lane 7, Thomas. Lane 8, Carson. And now Sheehan is the winner for that heat. Next event is 62 boys 11 and older.